And I always been longing for that luxury lifestyle. But what it really got to me, maybe just before pandemics, I started to walk a lot, be in nature a lot, and started to completely like redefine my
Mm.
lifestyle. Deleted a word busy, deleted working 8 hours a day. Can you share what luxury means to you? What do you do, guys? And how that is manifesting, inside the person as well as outside.
And so in the field, it's like now it's Louis Vuitton, maybe it's bulk luxury. So now what you were talking about, nature and things like these, maybe from some country like in Finland, going up in Lapland and doing something, people may pay 1 million for that. So these special things that are so hard sometimes to get, these are coming and being now luxury. They are doing one, two, three, four, five of the same thing, or a luxury bag, for example. And these maybe are the new real luxury.